Hey guys, this is his Justin Ceiling Fans 2006. This is one of my first videos today. This is a Harbor Breeze 52-inch Beech Creek ceiling fan in my and Kate's bedroom at his apartment, hers apartment. Sorry. So anyways, hey, do you know where the remote is?
Yep.
So
It's on the bedside table.
okay, thank you.
The
So
white one.
this one?
Yep.
Okay, so here's the remote. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on Osprey. You got the light. Yeah, on. I'm gonna start off with low. Yeah. This is the only fan in the house. Yeah, the only fan in the townhouse. I can feel a little air. Yeah. 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 Now I think we can go to medium. Yeah. Yeah, it does wobble. I mean, it's still good. I don't know if you could see it, but I think you can see a little. Let me down in the comment section down below. Yeah, I can feel air. Anyways, now going on to high speed. It does wobble on high speed. Goes pretty fast. It blows quite a bit of amount of air. It does wobble. I might try balance that. I mean, it might be fine the way it is because it's not like super wobble. It's just yeah. Like I said, tell me in the comment comment section down below. Sorry. Let me try again. So let me know in the comment section down below if you can see the wobble, cause like cause I don't know if you can see. You might see a little, but I'm not sure. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna do the light one more time, even though I already did the light. Light 8. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah. Anyways, wait for it to spin down. Anyways, yeah, just have to wait for it to spin down. So yeah, this is about it's almost there. It's down. I'll just put the remote down. Yeah, I picked this out at Lowe's, and I picked this out at Lowe's because there was originally no fan in here, but there is now. Anyways, it's off. Anyways, bye YouTube. See you in the next video.